I've always been fascinated by the mysteries hidden within our Milky Way galaxy, and now we've got a cosmic puzzle that's truly mind-blowing. Astronomers have discovered what they're calling a broken bone in our galaxy, a massive fractured filament of gas and dust stretching across 230 light-years. This cosmic structure, officially named G359.13142-0.2005 but nicknamed the Snake, is one of the brightest filaments we've ever seen. You know, what makes this discovery even more exciting is a new study from Harvard University. It suggests that this galactic fracture might have been caused by a collision with a neutron star, specifically a pulsar. Using NASA's Chandra X-ray Observatory and other powerful telescopes, researchers have found evidence of a pulsar in the same region as our broken cosmic bone. This collision could explain the unique shape and properties of the snake, giving us new insights into the violent events shaping our galaxy.